Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video I'm going to do a full resto, well, not, yeah, kind of full resto on this old 2010, I think, Yamaha Grizzly 700 with 4-wheel drive and all the sorts of cool stuff. This is by far my favourite one. This is one I've done a lot of Ks in. I'll show you how many as we go through these videos. There's going to be a few on the full restoration, so this video is going to be basically the full strip down, because a lot of this has to come off. Strip most things off and clean it and assess the damage, because there is considerably damage on there. So I guess I'll begin that now. Alright, so to start this, so there's some new parts. I've got to make a pile of all my parts to wash, which is just going to go to the side. This rack needs to probably be repainted. And seat quite clearly needs to be reupholstered. There's all sorts of weird stuff that needs to come out of this. That they've got an power cord, because they used to have a rack on the back that had a battery in it, and I used to power that so I would have charged when I was riding. So a lot of this I'm going to have to disassemble and figure out as I go what needs to come off. Alright, so getting on with this, there's a whole lot of bits and pieces that need to come off. And thankfully I've something with a motor connected to it. Very gentle. It's amazing, most of the actual screws are out of this thing already. Whoa. That's that bit off. Whoa. This exhaust looks a bit, how you going? Reckon I'm up for a new exhaust. And that side. All right, we are getting somewhere. Not many screws in that. Oh. Oops. Been pretty bad nick this. Alright, so I've given this up. Me and the wife gave this a thorough clean, and she cleaned all the other parts as well. And I was looking at this going, oh, maybe the chassis been cracked. And so I've got to the back here. I can see where I've patched it all up, nice and strong. And the chassis looks a bit rusty here. And then if I go around to the foot peg here, this chassis is cracked all the way through, so I'm going to have to remove these off and clean it up and see what I can do about that, if not putting a new chassis on it, like do a full swap out. Anyway, it's going to be a big job. So with it thoroughly cleaned, all the CVs are completely destroyed, so I've got to go over all the CV joints, and it's going to be a pretty big job. Glad I'm breaking this up into a few videos because it's going to take me a while. Alright, thank you very much for watching this. The exciting but a lot of work, and cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.